díagwit agus fáilte go dtí an ceacht gaeilge seo don gnáthleibhéal, ordinary level. Okay? Now tá sé seo I turas a trí, bónam turas a dó, lehanach dó a cúig a ceathair. Okay? So tá Cárta Poist a gcuin an seo ón Spáinn. Okay, so task iver a hain, éist agus aber. Éist agus aber. Listen and say. Okay? So Jerry may on gaeilge. Okay, I will say the gaeilge, then you will say the gaeilge, you'll repeat it, and then I'll tell you what each line means. Okay? Cercalor. Awamo yil. Dear grandmother. Cunas atá tú. How are you? Tá súla go bhfuil tú I mór na sláinte. I hope that you are well and healthy. Tá an Spáinn go hálainn. Spain is beautiful. Táid ag fannacht in Óstán deas cúis trá. We are staying in a hotel beside the sea. Tá an aimsir go brá. The weather is beautiful. Tá sé te agus greenver an seo. It is warm and sunny here. Téimid go dtí an trá gach lá. We go to the beach every day. Tá an airge go hálainn. The sea is beautiful. Is bralum a bheith ag snáb san airge, agus ag déanamh bullig le grain. I love to swim in the sea and sunbathe. Déanann mícheál caisleán ganamh agus tain sé ag lapadál freisin. Mícheál makes sandcastles and he goes paddling as well. Cred é nó ná cred hui mam agus dad ag sciáil isce inné. Believe it or not, Mom and Dad went water skiing yesterday. Amórach rockamid thuras mara. Tomorrow we will go on a sea trip or journey. Tar éis sin rockamid ag fámaracht agus ag siopadóireacht. After that, we will go sightseeing and shopping. Rockamid chuig bíalan agus íosamid dinner blasta. We will go to a restaurant and we will eat tasty food or tasty dinner. Well, sinna will wemse. Well, that's it from me. Feici mé hu I gceann seachtaine. I will see you in a week. Slán Róisín. Anna bha. Okay, so sin task a hain, críochnathe, anna bha. Now task a dó is lay. Okay, so déanaí tusa os gohu. You're going to do a screen record now and record yourself. Okay, so this is a little bit of a test to see how carefully you were listening and were you very careful to pronounce the words correctly. Okay, feel free to go back and rewind if you need to go back over one or two things you're not sure of and get it right. Okay, now task iver a trí ceistena. Iver a hain, cá bhfuil Róisín ag fannacht? Where is Róisín staying? Okay, so let's see if we find the answer. Where is she staying? Chun sa tá tú tásúla go gúil tú mór na sláinte, tá an Spáinn go hálainn. Tá mar ag fannacht den óstán jazz cush trá. Okay, so does not tell you where she is. She's in Spain, and she's also staying in a nice hotel beside the sea. So would either one of those do? I think so, yeah. Or you could say both. So mar hampla tá róisín ag fannacht sa Spáinn in óstán jazz cush trá. Okay? And bingo. There's ever a hain for you. Iver a dó, cunas atá an aimsir an sin. How is the weather there? Iver a trí, cad a dhéanaan róisín an trá. What does róisín do on the beach? Iver a cahar, cad a dhéanaan mícheál an trá. What does mícheál do on the beach? Iver a cuaig, cad a dhéanhí siad a mórach. Luig trí rud. What will they do tomorrow? Mention 3 things. Okay, so you need to go and find where they say it there. Okay, and if she is saying Rocky May, I will go, then what will we change that to? Rocky she. Okay, she will go. If she is saying we will go Rockamid, okay, we want to say that they will go. So what would that be? Rocky May, Rocky 2, she, shin, shiv, sheet. Okay, Rocky sheet. So you need to change those things as necessary. Okay, go hénta ar fad go náirí leat le tasca hain dó agus a trí obair ionach déanta agat. Slán go fóil agus beannacht.